Want to add your signature to Hostinger's email? In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to easily do it in just a few steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Start by opening your browser and visiting hostinger.com. On the homepage, click on the Email option from the Meta panel. A list of available emails will appear. Select the Manage button for the email account you wish to configure. On the next page, which is the Overview tab, click on Email Accounts. Now, you'll see your email account and the webmail option attached to it. Click on the webmail link, and it will open in a new tab in your browser, bringing you to the Email Accounts inbox. Here, click on Settings from the left-hand side menu, and then click on Identities. Here, you'll find your email address and a space to add your signature. You can type anything you like in this section, and it will appear as your signature in all emails sent from this account. After entering your signature, simply click Save. That's all. Your email is now set up. You can also verify it by clicking on Compose. Here, you can see that your signature is set. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. And if this tutorial was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. See you in the next video.